everybody, and welcome to Full Disclosure with Tom. This is my second YouTube channel. We're going to be starting this channel and talking about everything ranging from UAP'S to NHI, from the past to the current situation that we're and phenomenon that we're experiencing here around the world, on the East Coast, and really in every state, and around the world as well. But we'll be covering a lot of the United States because that's where I live, so that's where I'm based at. We'll be doing everything from teaching you about CE5 meditation and how you can possibly reach a higher level of consciousness so you can be able to possibly interact and contact with non-human intelligence that are living here amongst us and in the stars, which is something I believe you can do. And listen, this channel is not going to be for everybody. I understand that. It's a big difference from our other channel that we have. So if it's not something you're into, that's all right. But if you guys are into it, and I hope you are, it's a big passion of mine, something I'm really interested in. And I think that humanity is really on the precipice of making a major discovery and a major leap forward. And I hope that's something that we can venture into, the unknown together with. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure to subscribe for me. Our goal is to make sure to try and hit 1,000 subscribers. The sooner we can monetize the channel here on YouTube, we can get out in the field and do some field investigative work on this topic. So I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll have some new content for you guys very soon. Thanks. Peace.